When will you be debt-free? This file answers that in 30 seconds. This is a debt payoff planner. You list what you owe, and the file does the rest. Step 1. Type each debt into the yellow cells: the balance, the interest rate, and the minimum payment. The moment you type, the cards up top move. Total owed, your monthly budget, and the interest piling up each month. The two order columns rank them. Debt number 1, in orange, is where your money should go. Step 2. Set how much extra you can pay each month, on top of the minimums. Your debt budget jumps, and the whole plan is recalculated. Step 3. Open the payoff plan. When you are debt-free, and what it costs you in interest. The comparison block tells you whether Snowball or Avalanche is cheaper, and by how much. The two-line chart is the race to zero between those two strategies. The payoff order points at the exact debt to attack first. Step 4. The full schedule. Every month until you are clear, with interest split from principal. A green cell is a debt disappearing. Read down a column to see the month you escape it. Step 5. What if? What would another few hundred a month actually buy you? 8 extra payment levels, both strategies, with charts for money and for time. The orange row is where you are now. Look below it to see what stretching is worth. Scan the code for more templates.